A filthy mind expresses itself in filthy and profane language. A clean mind expresses itself in language that is positive and uplifting, and in deeds that bring happiness to the heart. In a world that wallows in filth, be clean in language, in thought, in body, in dress. To each of you I say, be clean in your language. There is so much of filthy, sleazy talk these days. Failure to express yourself in language that is clean marks you as one whose vocabulary is extremely limited. Be clean in thought. Said the Lord, let all things be done in cleanliness before thee.